Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We're going to make a beautiful flower pot using this empty plastic container. So paste these sticks and we are going to braid the rope on the top of it. So roll it around the sticks. Here we are using two different color of rope for more decoration. You can take only one color. Cut the extra sticks using cutter. Paste lace for more decoration like this, and look, your beautiful flower pot is ready. Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Let's make a beautiful decor piece today. We are going to paste this beautiful fabric on the top of it using double side tape. We are also covering the base as well, so you can paste a normal cloth or a jute. Now we are going to paste these sticks around it using hot glue gun. So make small pieces of the sticks and cover the side as well. After this, take a jute rope and paste it using hot glue gun around it. And we are also braiding two different color of jute rope around the sticks and make a beautiful pattern like this. Roll it around the sticks and paste it using double side tape. Cut the extra sticks as well. Now we are going to add more details like these beautiful sticks, and look, it's ready. After this, you can cut the extra part and decorate it more using this beautiful lace. Cover it like this and look, it is ready. You can use this as a decor piece and beautiful container. Here we're going to use this empty plastic cup, so paste sticks around it and cover the base using jute fabric. Similar way, we are going to cover the entire cup using this jute rope, so braid it like this, and around the sticks we're going to roll it and braid it till the top. Now cut the extra sticks and thread, paste all of them, paste a beautiful lace using hot glue gun, and look, your flower pot is ready. Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We're going to make a beautiful craft today. So paste the fabric on the top of this cardboard, and for more decoration we are going to cover the base and paste lace as well. After this, we are going to bend the extra part. Now paste 15 cm sticks on the top of it like this and cover the top as well. Here we are going to make a beautiful handbag. So bend all the sticks like this and take a brown color of rope. You can take whatever color you like and braid it like this. And we are also adding these pearls for more decoration. You can take only one color of thread. We are using two different color of thread here, and for a beautiful pattern you can also put pearls on the top as well. Similar way, we are going to make the handles as well and cover the handles as well like we're doing here using rope. Put these fabric and lace on the top of it, and look, your beautiful handbag is ready. Paste a flower as well. Thank you so much for watching this video.